channel, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. As you can see, I'm doing something kind of different today. I have my hair out and into these twists because your girl is about to dye, okay? It is 2020. We need something fresh. We need something new. And I'm about to dye my hair. Not all of it, just the ends, maybe about like, I don't know, that much. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less. I don't know. We'll figure it out as we go. I'm going to be trying the Creme of Nature box dye. This dye here, I've heard a lot of reviews about it. This is the Ginger Blonde Color Exotic Shine Color box dye from Creme of Nature. And I don't think my hair is going to come out this bright, but we will see. They have a little color wheel on the back of it that shows you here what your hair should turn out to be. So my hair is kind of in between this dark brown and black color, so we'll see if we get anything close to that. This is my very first time ever doing any type of color to my hair. I've never tried, never dyed my hair or anything like that, so my hair is pretty much virgin. Like, nothing has been done to it. I've went natural years ago, so haven't had a relaxer in a while. So this is interesting. I've never dyed hair, never did anything like that. So we're gonna see how this works out, okay? If I fail, y'all just gonna fail with me, cause yeah, it's just hair. If anything, I will pop a wig on and keep it moving, not stopping anything, okay? So, okay, I did 8 pieces, 4 on each side. And we're just gonna do the ends of it. We're gonna go ahead and make it do what it do and try this out. So I'm gonna just pop that open. We don't need those. Oh, yes, we do. All right, so we're not gonna rip it, but we're going to open it. I didn't know that it had a little testing stickers on it or something. Like, who does that? All right, it comes with some Versace gloves. I'm loving it already. Limited edition, okay. No habla español, so I'm gonna go to the English side. Before you color, read this important information. Hair color use may cause an allergic reaction, which in rare cases can be serious. It don't say death, so we good. All right. Okay, wait at least 2 weeks before relaxing your hair. Your girl haven't had a relaxer in years, so we good on that. Avoid contact with the eyes and the skin, of course. Wear gloves provided in the kit. Do not over compound henna. What? Oh, do not use over compound henna or progressive color. Do not inhale or ingest. Dang it. Keep out of reach of children, so don't let your babies drink on the bottle. All right, so this kit contains High Lift Booster Packet, Cream Color Developer, Permanent Cream Gel Hair Color, Argan Oil Intensive Conditioning Treatment, Argan Oil Treatment, and instruction sheet with gloves. All right, contents of the box. Whoop. It didn't break, we good. This is the developer, and this is the color. I don't know why it look all funky. This is the Argan Oil Conditioning Treatment. And this is the High Lift Booster. It's a powder. I'm gonna read the instructions and then I'm gonna mix, so we know what mixes with what. Oh, this is what dropped. And it also comes with this little dropper thingy of argan oil treatment to put on your hair afterwards. We're gonna pause, go to the bathroom and do this on the counter so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. Then do it in the mirror in the bathroom so I don't mess up. Then we're gonna come back out here when I'm all done and yeah, see how it looks. And hopefully I have hair. All right, let's go. Don't need that anymore. Oh, I hate these gloves. Can't get my hands through them. Step 1, put on gloves. Step 2, twist this off. Remove cap from the applicator bottle. Cut open high lift booster packet and pour contents into the cream color developer. Pour the entire contents of the cream gel hair color into the bottle. That's the color. It looks interesting. Ugh, that stank. Place the cap back on, and then we shake it till it's all mixed. It's starting to turn like a purple color. Alright, so I've been mixing it, trying to get this like white stuff at the bottom to mix in, but I don't know. And like some white stuff on the outside of the, or in the bottle, those white spots inside the bottle isn't mixing in, but I've been mixing for a while, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and go for it. So my technique that I'm gonna do is doing both sides at the same time, so that way it would process at least the same going up rather than one side being lighter than darker. I can't work with these gloves on. I'm trying to work quick because it says apply immediately. Alright, here goes nothing. Ooh. Oh, that smell. Whew. I'm trying to wipe my hands off in between so I'm not getting it everywhere, you know what I mean? Oh man, I just got some here. Ooh, it is strong. I gotta crack my door for that. I'm moving fast because I want to get it at least all coated, and I'll go back and add more or higher up or whatever. I definitely have more than enough product, so I'm not worried about running out. One box was enough just to do my ends. So I'm trying to measure this right to see how much shrinkage I would have and how much color I want on my hair. That's what I'm trying to make sure I measure. But if I don't get enough, I can always go back and add more to it. That way it'll kind of give it a gradient effect anyways if I want to go higher. So I'm not too worried about it being too low. I'd rather start low and go up higher than start high and do too much that I didn't want to do. Ooh, Jesus. It stinks so bad. I can already see my hair getting lighter though. That's kind of cool. Now I'm going to go back over it and just add more. I can see it turning color already. Alright, I'm gonna stop there. Look at this up. timer now. I'm gonna set it to 30 minutes and we're gonna come back and see how it looks. Okay, so I had this in for about 25 minutes so far, so just an update so y'all can see. You see that? You can see the color changing? Yeah. It's really doing it. Same thing. So I'm gonna leave it in for, it's been about 25 minutes, supposed to leave it in for 30 minutes. I'll be a little bit of a rebel and leave it in for about another 15 minutes. I just want to get it lighter because I want to get it as close to the blonde as I want. Like I said, I'm not gonna come out to be this blonde, obviously. Okay, it's not the same. But I think the longer you leave it on, the lighter it will become. So I'm gonna leave it on for about another 15 minutes to see what it do. Then we're gonna rinse it out, and because I've also noticed watching other videos that when people rinse it out, the color may look lighter, but once you rinse it out, it's a completely darker shade. So I'm gonna leave it in until it's light enough, and then we're gonna go from there. Stay tuned. Okay, so I actually went back and added more to the ends of my hair because I wanted it brighter, and it's been quite some time now. I did just check my hand as if I had a watch, but I don't have one on anymore. But it says no more than, don't exceed any more than 30 minutes. And we're probably at like an hour right now. And I added more on. So if I'm bald by the end of this video, disregard everything that I told you to do in the beginning. But I'm a risk taker, and so we're gonna see how it turns out. But right now it looks pretty good. I just want it to be a little bit blonder, a little bit brighter, but this honeyish, gingerish color looks good. And if you can kind of see, it's kind of ombre because when I went back and added more to the ends of it, I focused it on the end, and this portion isn't as light. So it has kind of this gradual effect, which I like. So if it don't get light in the next like, I'm gonna say like 10 minutes, I'm washing it out and we're just gonna see what it do, and we'll just dye it another day because I'm not about to have my hair fall out. So we'll see. This is where we are. I love this color. This is after doing a couple coats on it and letting it sit for a while, way past the 30-minute mark. I don't recommend doing what I did, but we're gonna see how it looks after I wash it out and see if I still have hair. So stay tuned. So I just took a shower, just washed my hair. While I was in there, I shampooed and conditioned with my Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo and conditioner, and then I also used the argan oil intensive conditioning treatment that came with the pack. I put that on after I shampooed and conditioned and just kind of combed it out, and then I placed a shower cap over it. And now I'm about to do the argan oil treatment. So this is what it looks like. Damp, and this is a t-shirt that I used. And I didn't have a lot of hair that came out. This is how much hair. And I usually have more than that on a regular wash day, so pretty okay with that. So this, they say to snap it, so how do you snap this off without spilling it?
3 hours later.
So you snap it like so. And says to apply to damp or dry hair. So my hair is still damp. I'm gonna focus it on the ends. So this is how it looks after I put oil in it. I want to style it, and I'll probably show you how it looks in the morning. Bye. So this is how it turned out. I love it. I love it. I put it in a little top ponytail, half up, half down. But this is how it turned out. So I love it. So it kind of turned out to be like a coppery, brownish, reddish brown color, but I love it. I might go a little bit lighter one day, but for now, I think I'll rock this and see how it goes. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching me do this transformation on my hair for the first time. I'm very pleased with how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and wait for more videos. Peace.